The Game of Life Junior, How to Play. The object of the game is to be the first player to get 10 stars. Lay out the board. Each player picks a colored adventures card and car, putting the car on its corresponding start space. Shuffle the VIP deck and deal 3 cards to each player. Give each player $4. Shuffle the action cards and place them with the stars and remaining money face down next to the game board. The oldest player goes first, then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, spin the spinner and move your car around the board clockwise, following the arrows. If you land on or pass an attraction, you may stop and pay the fee to gain a star and add it to your adventures card. If you don't have enough money, then you can't get the star. Some attractions don't cost anything. If you have a VIP ticket to the attraction, you reveal it and gain a second bonus star. Then place your VIP ticket face down, as you may not use it again. You may only visit each attraction one time. When you land on a yellow arrow action space, you draw the top card from the action deck, then follow its instructions. If it says to gain money, you gain money from the deck. If it has a star, it means you get a star. If it has a star with a question mark, then you must do something in order to gain the star. A music note means sing, and the masks mean act it out. The black star means you lose a star. If you land on or pass your own start space, collect $1 from the deck. If you pay for the fun train, you can travel to the other side of the board. The train can go in both directions. The first player to collect 10 stars wins.